Take command of the road in the 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as an outside temperature display, a front bench seat, rear wipers, and more. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.